Stop buying gaming headphones that sound like tin cans. It's 2026. Your audio deserves an upgrade. Whether you're a competitive pro, a content creator, or just a music lover who happens to game, the right headset changes everything. Today, I'm ranking the top 6 multimedia headsets that deliver studio-grade sound without losing that competitive edge. We're looking at battery life, mic clarity, and the tech that makes these stand out. Find your headphones from the description. Check the links in the description below. Let's get started. First up is the Gtheos Captain 300 wireless gaming headphones, which is a powerhouse designed for serious gamers. It features advanced 2.4 GHz lossless wireless technology that ensures a stable connection up to 49 feet. With ultra-low latency of less than or equal to 20 milliseconds and powerful 50mm drivers delivering 30% enhanced sound effects, players experience immersive, crystal-clear audio that captures every detail, from footsteps to in-game explosions. Ideal for games like Fortnite, Call of Duty, and Starfield, the headset offers superior direction-sensing sound for an unbeatable competitive edge. Equipped with a detachable, omnidirectional noise reduction microphone, the Captain 300 allows seamless communication during intense gaming sessions. Its flexible mic design offers easy adjustment for clear, distortion-free voice chat, ensuring teammates can coordinate effectively in every battle. Moreover, its multi-platform compatibility with PS4, PS5, PC, Switch, and even mobile devices via Bluetooth 5.3 or 3.5mm wired mode makes it a versatile choice for all gamers. Comfort meets durability with its ergonomic design, featuring padded adjustable headbands and breathable memory protein earmuffs for long hours of fatigue-free play. With an impressive battery life of 35 to 40 hours and a sleek mirror surface design, the Captain 300 stands out both in performance and style. Overall, this headset is a top-tier option for gamers seeking premium sound, long-lasting comfort, and multi-device flexibility. Next is the WESEARY Wireless Gaming headset, which offers gamers a truly immersive audio experience with its 50mm dynamic drivers that deliver powerful 3D stereo sound. Players can easily detect every subtle in-game cue, whether it's footsteps, gunfire, or teammate commands, ensuring a competitive advantage during intense matches. Supporting both 2.4 GHz wireless and Bluetooth 5.4 connections, this headset provides versatile compatibility with PCs, PS5, PS4, Macs, laptops, mobiles, and the Nintendo Switch with limited mic functionality. It's perfect for players who value flexibility across multiple devices. Built for serious gamers, this headset ensures ultra-low latency of less than or equal to 20 milliseconds in 2.4 GHz mode for seamless synchronization between sound and visuals. The ANC noise-cancelling microphone captures voice clearly while reducing unwanted background noise, making communication crisp and uninterrupted. Its ergonomic design with adjustable headbands and breathable, moisture-wicking ear cushions guarantees lasting comfort, even during long sessions. With a robust 1,200 mAh battery, gamers can enjoy up to 50 hours of usage or 35 hours with LED lighting on, and a quick 2.5-hour recharge keeps downtime minimal. Some users, however, reported occasional sound issues, which may vary depending on the connection mode. Overall, the WESEARY Wireless Gaming headset stands out as a stylish, comfortable, and high-performance option. Ideal for gamers seeking immersive sound, long battery life, and multi-platform convenience. Coming up next is the HyperX Cloud 2 wireless gaming headset, which delivers a powerful combination of comfort, performance, and cutting-edge audio technology. Built with a reliable low-latency 2.4 GHz wireless connection, it offers a seamless range of up to 20 meters, ensuring gamers stay connected without lag or interruptions. With an impressive battery life of up to 30 hours, players can enjoy extended gaming sessions without worrying about frequent recharging. Its lightweight design, at just 300 grams, paired with signature HyperX memory foam and soft leatherette ear cushions, provides lasting comfort for marathon play sessions. This headset takes immersion to another level with DTS Headphone X spatial audio, creating a realistic 3D soundstage that enhances awareness and precision during gameplay. Every sound, from footsteps to ambient effects, is delivered with clarity and depth, giving gamers a competitive edge. The detachable noise-cancelling microphone, certified by Discord and TeamSpeak, ensures crystal clear communication, while the built-in LED mute indicator adds convenience during voice chats. Additionally, the built-in mic monitoring feature allows players to hear their own voice clearly, maintaining balanced communication. Compatible with PC, PS5, and PS4, the HyperX Cloud 2 Wireless is designed for both versatility and superior sound. Overall, this headset stands out as a premium choice for gamers who value comfort, performance, and immersive audio quality. Next up is the Arctis Nova 5 wireless gaming headset, which stands out with its feature-rich design and multi-platform compatibility. It is powered by custom neodymium magnetic drivers that deliver high-fidelity audio with clear highs, balanced mids, and deep bass. As a result, players can enjoy a detailed and immersive soundscape across different game genres. One of its most unique features is access to 100+ game-specific audio presets via the companion app. In addition, the headset offers dual wireless connectivity. Users can seamlessly switch between 2.4 GHz wireless for low-latency gaming and Bluetooth 5.3 for calls or media playback. This quick switch feature adds convenience, especially for multitaskers. The next-gen Clearcast 2.x microphone further improves communication with higher clarity and better noise handling. Moreover, the retractable design keeps the headset clean and flexible. The battery life is another highlight, providing up to 60 hours of use. Fast charging via USB-C ensures that even a short 15-minute charge can deliver up to 6 hours of playtime. However, there are a few minor drawbacks. The headset may feel slightly tight for some users during long sessions. Also, full customization requires the companion app, which might not appeal to everyone. Despite these points, the headset delivers strong performance in both audio quality and convenience. Overall, it is a powerful and versatile gaming headset, and it is highly recommended for users looking for long battery life, customizable audio, and seamless multi-device connectivity. Coming up next is the Razer BlackShark V3X HyperSpeed wireless gaming headset, which delivers a strong balance between performance and versatility. It features advanced 50mm Gen 2 drivers that enhance clarity and provide a wider soundstage. As a result, users can clearly identify footsteps and subtle in-game cues. This makes it highly effective for competitive gaming. Additionally, the 7.1 surround sound creates an immersive audio experience, allowing players to feel fully engaged in their environment. Moreover, the headset includes a detachable hyperclear cardioid microphone. It captures voice accurately while reducing unwanted background noise. This ensures clear communication during intense gaming sessions. The 3 connectivity modes further add flexibility. Users can switch easily between 2.4 GHz wireless, Bluetooth, or a wired USB connection. Therefore, it works seamlessly across PC, Mac, consoles, and mobile devices. Comfort is another strong aspect of this headset. Its lightweight 270-gram design prevents fatigue during long sessions. The plush ear cushions provide added support, making it suitable for extended use. In addition, the 70-hour battery life stands out. It allows uninterrupted gameplay without frequent charging. Overall, this headset offers a reliable and high-quality gaming experience. Finally, the Logitech Zone Vibe 100 wireless headphones, which are thoughtfully designed for both work and leisure, offering a perfect blend of professional functionality and casual style. Built with 40mm audio drivers, these headphones deliver immersive sound with deep bass, crisp highs, and minimal distortion. As a result, users can enjoy clear audio whether attending virtual meetings or listening to music. In addition, the headset is fully compatible with popular platforms like Microsoft Teams, Google Meet, and Zoom, making it highly convenient for remote work and online collaboration. Another standout feature is its advanced noise-cancelling microphone. Using beamforming technology combined with digital signal processing, it effectively captures the user's voice while reducing background noise. This ensures clear communication in busy or noisy environments. Furthermore, the multi-point Bluetooth connectivity allows seamless switching between devices such as a laptop and smartphone without interruption. With up to 18 hours of battery life on a single charge, users can rely on it for extended work sessions and entertainment without frequent recharging. Comfort is also a key strength of the Zone Vibe 100. Its lightweight design and memory foam ear cushions provide long-lasting comfort, even during extended use. The flip-to-mute microphone adds convenience and privacy, instantly muting audio when needed. Additionally, the use of 25% certified post-consumer recycled plastic reflects a commitment to sustainability. Overall, this headset offers a well-rounded experience, and it is highly recommended for users seeking comfort, clear communication, and versatile performance in a modern wireless headphone.